Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. It's nice to see you today.
Take your seat. Okay, who is absent today? Any? Who is your attendance officer? Yes, Sophia. Okay, so ilan kayo ngayong ano na to? Okay, 25. So I guess you are good today since it is now Thursday, and we will continue our discussion and another introduction for our topic, which is relation to our topic yesterday. So before we go on to our discussion for this morning, let's have our house rules. You are going to turn your cell phone into silent mode and participate actively in the discussion and activities. No multitasking. Kagaya na sinasabi ko sa inyo, no multitasking. Pag nag-explain si ma'am, huwag kayong magsusulat muna. Okay? If you have questions, just raise your hand and approach me. Okay? So do you have any question regarding that? Okay. So before we go on to our main topic for this morning, let's have first our game, which is the 4 picks, 1 word. It is a review slash motivation wherein I connected those topics last Thursday and Wednesday and yung ating topic ngayon. Okay? What is our direction? The teacher will group you into 2 groups. Okay? So, I will group you by your gender. So, saan ang mga lalaki? Lalaki. Okay, pakita sa kamay. So, lalaki, kayo ay group 1. At ang mga babae ay group 3. Okay? So, lahat ng boys, dito muna. At lahat ng girls ay dito. Okay, now go. So, this will be the direction. The teams take turns in answering the given 4 picks, 1 word. Then give the unknown word. Okay, so you will be the group 1 and this is the group 2. Okay? So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 4 na pictures and then you will going to ano gusto nyo? Take turns or paunahan na lang? Okay, sige, paunahan na lang. Okay? So, kung sino ang unang makakakuha ng eraser na ito, ay siya ang unang magsasagot. Okay? Ready? Okay. So, the first team to gain the highest score is the winner. So, kung hindi kayang sagutin ng group 1, huwag niyo kukunin kung hindi niyo talaga alam. Kasi once na nakuha nyo na, 1, 2, 3 lang ang aking bilang. Kung hindi nyo kaya sagutin ng 1, 2, 3, they will take turns to get the answer. Okay? Okay. So, the first team to gain the highest score is the winner. Okay. So, ito ay tinatawag ng 4 picks, 1 word. First, ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, 1.
Ma'am, formula.
3. Formula is correct. Okay, group 1 got the correct answer. Lisa. Okay. So, 1. Next. Pwedeng sumagot yung mga iba. Okay. Next. Next. Okay, 1. 2. Expression. Correct. Yay! Okay. Ano, mas magaling ba? Patuloy you girls. Hindi. Okay, next. Stop. Huwag kayong maingay masyado. 1, 2, 3. Ha? Radicals? Correct.
siyempre. Kaya
Next.
may mixture rin yun.
Take turns to other.
Zero, ma'am.
0. Correct. Okay, next. Ang tagal na. Ha? Positive, yes. Correct. Wala, humble girl. Okay, next. Positive ka namin, ha?
Love.
Okay. Negative is correct. Oh, point one. 1, 2, 3, go. Final answer? Index is correct. Okay. Ewan ko kung ilan pa to. Ano to? 5, 6, 7? Parang meron ka ba? Okay, so wala na. Okay, so ang nanalo ay ang group 1. Okay, so palakpakan naman natin ang group 1. Kayo ay nakakuha ng 98 at ang group 2 ay nakakuha ng 96. That serves as your performance pass. Okay? Okay. One word has something to do with our past lesson, okay? And our new lesson for this morning. Anyway, it is just a continuation of our topic, okay? So, our topic for this morning is all about the radicals. So, alam nyo na kung or na-encounter na natin ang radicals. But we will going to concentrate on the rewriting radicals to rational expressions and vice versa. Isn't it that yesterday we rewrite or we simplify the rational exponent, tama? Which is, we have the exponent of fractions. Okay, but before that, we will review what is the parts of radical. Okay, so here, ang n na ito ay tinatawag natin na index. Okay? So, ang n na ito ay pwedeng maging square root, maging cube root, maging fourth root, and so on. Okay? How about this one? Ito, anong tawag dito? Okay, that is the radical sign. And yung number or letter na nasa loob, that is the radical. Naawatan?
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
so, ulitin ko, yung maliit na number na nandito, kung walang number, ibig sabihin is square root yun. Okay, or 2. So, kung 3 or 3, that is cube root. Kung 4, fourth root. Those are the index. Okay? Radical and the radical sign. So, yan lang naman ang parts ng ating radical. So, mag-concentrate tayo sa dalawa ngayong araw nito. First is the convert expressions with rational exponent into radicals. Yung ginawa natin kahapon, wherein we have an exponent of fraction, we will convert into radicals down. Okay? Let's have here an example. Pero medyo long method ito. Pero pagagaanin natin ang buhay ninyo. Okay? If we apply the laws of exponent, we can see there are two possible ways to change an expression with fractional exponent into a radical expression. Napakadali lamang ito. Okay? Let's have an example. So, mag-base na lang tayo sa example na yan. We have a raised to m over n. Okay, example. Example number 1, a raised to m over n. Paano nga ba natin ita-transform or i-rewrite into radicals ang rational expression na ito? Okay, ganito lamang. Simple lang mga anak. Si a, yan si radical. radical. Siya yung nasa loob ng radical sign. Okay? So, maglagay tayo ng radical. Si A, yun yung nasa loob. Okay? Si denominator na N, siya yung index natin. Okay? Ang index ay nandito sa labas. Tama?
Yes.
Okay, so ito siya. At si M, siya yung exponent natin.
Yes.
Okay, which is yung nasa taas ng
A.
ganyan lang. Do you have any question? Let's have an example, another example, and then we will simplify it. Okay. Let's say we have 4 raised to 1 half. Saan ang radical dyan? Okay, 4. Let's say we have that. We will draw 4. Our index is 2. Pwede pa ba ilalagay ba natin si 2 or hindi na? Okay, kahit hindi na. Kasi kung ibig sabihin na walang index na nakikita dyan, is paired na siya. Okay?
Yes.
Ano ang ating exponent? 1. Ilalagay pa ba natin si 1? Kahit hindi na. Okay? So if you will going to simplify this, square root of 4 is 2. Okay. That's it. Okay? Naiintindihan. So, ang laws of exponent ay applicable din. Okay, bakit naging ganun, ma'am? Kasi si x ay hindi siya belong sa 2 raised to 5 na exponent. Okay? Okay, number 4 na tayo. 3 over 5. So kung dito, ganito ang makikita ninyo, si A ay hindi belong. So ibig sabihin, ang ita-transform lang natin sa radical expression ay si x. So just copy A. Okay? Copy A. Ang ating index ay okay, 5. Fifth root, ang tawag doon, ang radical natin ay x at ang ating exponent ay 3. Okay? Ay, 2 pala yun, sorry. 2. Okay? Ganyan lang. Nawatan?
Yeah.
Okay, next tayo. Okay, number, for example, madali na lang ito sa inyo. Paano natin gagawin ito? Do you have any, yes, Kirby? Pwede ba paki-perform yung x raised to negative 2 over 3? Ano ang gagawin para maging positive? Ha?
Kita din.
Jackson? Yes. Okay, balik na rin. O, sige, will you rewrite? Sige na, anak. Go. O, diyan. Okay, so 1 over x raised to 2/3 to be yan. And then, ano nang susunod dito? You will going to rewrite it into radical expression. Sino ang gustong magre-write into radical expression? Pili. Sige, i-rewrite mo nga si x raised to 2 over 3 dito. On the board. Okay, sige. I-write mo si x raised to 2 over 3 on the board. In the easiest way. Okay, go. Ano ang kwento dyan? Ano ang index mo? Ano yung radicand mo? Ano yung exponent mo? Huwag mong papilin na. Okay, go.
Kumidit lang ito. Kumidit.
Sige.
Oh, wait lang.
Just copy 1 muna. Over pa rin
Ma'am?
1 over pa rin. Oh, yan. Yan. Ano ang index mo? Oh, 3. Go. Go. Get 3. Cube root. Kung ano, they 0, 5. Janelle? So therefore, our answer is
Sila mo.
1 over x raised to 1 over cube root of x raised to 2. Okay? Okay na pala. Next step. So let's now have our second situation. So kanina, yung rational ay kinonvert natin into radicals. Vice versa ngayon. Paano pag radicals into rational expression? Okay? So let's have our first example. Cube root of b. Okay, let's have our first example. Cube root of b. Napaka-importante dito mga anak that you know what is your index, your radicand, and your exponent. So here, sa example, cube root of b, ano ang index natin? Ha? Okay, 3. Ano ang radicand natin?
B.
Okay, b. So, siyempre, ang unahin natin na isulat ay yung radicand. Ano ang exponent natin? Pero bakit nagiging ang exponent? Wala. Paano kung wala? Okay, 1. Ang index natin ay? Anong index? 3. Okay, 3. That's it. Okay? Yan na. Yan na yung sagot. Okay, o paano naman kung ganito? Yung example number 2. We have the cube root of 2 raised to 4. Ano ang radicand natin? Ira, ano ang radicand natin? Ha? Okay, we have 2. Jessica, ano ang ating exponent? Jessica, ano ang exponent natin? Okay, 4. Ano ang index natin? 3. Okay. 3. Ayan. Okay, madali mahirap.
Madali.
Let's try number 3 example. We have 4th root of 2x. Okay, can you identify the bid? What is our radicand? Stand up. 2 at sinong kasama ng x? Okay, so we have x. Precious. Ano ang ating meron ba tayong exponent? What? Ano? Kung wala ka nagiging exponent, ano ang exponent niya? Okay? Exponent, yung nasa taas. 4. Ang 4 ba ay? Yes, Dilian. Okay, 1. So, kung wala ka nakikita, 1 ang inyong sagot. Okay? So, ano ang index natin? 4. Ganyan ba?
Yeah. No.
Lagyan natin ng quantity kasi si 1/4 ay kasama ni si 2x ay iisa. Okay? So, next number 4. Apas madali ba ito kasi yung kanina?
Yeah.
Okay, number 4. Let's have 2. Ayan. 2 cube root of y raised to 4. Ano ang napapansin ninyo dito? Kasama ba si 2 sa square root?
Yeah.
Hindi. Ano gagawin? Norby? Ha? Yes, Janelle? Okay, steady. So, ibig sabihin, we will just rewrite 2. Okay, 2. Ngayon, ano ang radicand natin? Y. We have y. Ano ang ating exponent? 4. Okay. Yes, Warren. Ano ang ating index, Warren? Warren? Ha? Okay, very good. Lalagyan pa ba natin ng quantity?
No.
Okay, hindi na. Kasi si Y ay hindi kasama ni
Two.
or si Y ay ang exponent lang ni 4/3 or si y ang exponent niya ay si 4/3 pero si 2 ay wala siyang exponent. So do you have any question regarding that?
Ma'am, wala.
Okay. Sige, copyhan mo nga muna. So, of our discussion entitled Escape on a Chain Challenge. Okay? So the teacher will divide the class into 5 groups. So they should escape on the chain by solving the given problems as a group. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 3 problem and then ang answer niya, yun yung magiging code. So the answer of the given problems will be served as a code of their padlock. So ang unang makakawala sa padlock or sa chain na ito, siya ang panalo. Okay?
Yes.
So the first escape on the chain will declare as the winner. Okay, so I will group you into 5. Pero sana okay. Can I have Kirby? Tayo. Janelle, tayo. Norby, tayo. Philip, tayo. Gian, tayo. Saan si Gian na?
Yan, nagkaroon
Gian. Okay, group 1, Janelle. 2, Kirby. 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Don't worry, madali lang ito. Madali lang ito. Okay, group 1, group 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Tumayo kayo, siyempre. Hindi tayo makakawal. So, lahat ng group 1, tayo. 1, 2, 3. Group 1, dyan yan. Dito kayo na. Group 2, 1, 2, 3, dyan tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, kunin nyo na ito. Ito muna ha. Okay, group 3. Tala, group 3. Doon kayo, sa gilid. Group 4. Sana group 4. Wag muna ito. And group 5. Sana yung group 5. Dito kayo sa gitna. Okay, ganito ang mangyayari. Ha? Ayun nga ang po kayo. 4. Sana group 4. Hindi pwede. Sige. Group 4 kayo?
Bakit pa ito eh?
Ha? Group 4. Then, group 5. Okay, ang gagawin ninyo, leaders, mag-distribute ng bawat isa sa kanila ng tali. And then, talian nyo muna yung isang kamay ninyo.
Ma'am, hindi naman kalian.
Bawat isa. Wag, ganito. And then yung...
Leader?
Yes, pati leaders. Ay, sorry. And then, yung padlock, iusok nyo, bawat may isa.
Yung bawat na.
Tapos, talian mo yung
May isa lang ang ima.
Sabi niyo, hindi may pilit ka basa, tapos ikaw.
yes. Ibig sabihin, lahat ay itatali dyan.
Ay, leader yung anak.
Oh. Next!
Kasi,
Ay, leader, ma'am. Leader.
Wow.
Leader. Tignan mo man.
Tignan nyo ah.
Oh, ay,
Lahat kayo ay dito. Naked. Bahala kayo mitin ah. Magdala kayo ng inyong ballpen at saka papel.
ay, ano, mura nila yung man nakisirot na.
Yes. Okay? Timer, all ready? Go! Ton. Okay, sino ang magna 98? Nakuha na ng group 5. Okay, so tapos na.
Maman may kate.
Tanggalin nyo na.
Pinansaran na kami.
Hindi kayo pare-parehas ng code. Hindi kayo pare-parehas ng tanong. Okay, group 4 got 98. Congratulations. Next. Pindutin nyo yung nasa gitna. Oh. Okay, group 1. So, natapos na ang group 2. You are 96.
Ay, win. Ang lasa na yung kumadilay.
Okay, group 3. Kumusta kayo dyan? 96 ang susunod. 94.
Sana all na.
Okay, umupo niya. Asahan na yung mga lang? Asahan na yung mga dalawa? Kulang pa ng dalawa? Group 3, Group 1, Group 4. Ang hindi pa nagbalik, Group 2. Dalawa. And, okay, so, I hope that you know already how to tawag doon, how to express rational into radical. Okay, as your individual activity, we will try this. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Ay, kanina to. Wait lang. Okay, doon sa letter A, you will going to express into radical form in 5 minutes. Okay, sige, yung A na lang muna. Express into radical form yung ating rational exponent. Nilalagay nyo ang yung una. Ito, yung example natin na una. In 5 minutes lang. Radical lang po. Yes. Okay, you should know what is the index, the exponent, and the ang sinasabi lang niya is you will just express, not simplify. So, kahit hindi simplified term yung sagutin nyo, okay lang. Next set. quantity, ano ibig sabihin? Isa yung radical. Yung number 3, ibig sabihin yan, si 6 ay hindi kasama. Last 3 minutes. May pusa na ang kanyang kasama sa bahay. So, pag namatay yung pusa niya, malulungkot na siya. Okay? So, dumating yung time na namatay na yung pusa niya at nalungkot siya. Okay? Na-depress siya. Kasi yun lang yung kanyang pamilya eh. So, yung kayamanan niya, naging useless. Kasi, isa nga lang niya sa buhay, namatay pa yung kanyang pusa. So, ano man yung kalagayan natin, ano man yung social economic status natin sa buhay, we should be thankful. Lalo-lalo na tayo dito sa probinsya, tayo ay, ang tawag na nabubuhay na simple lang. Hindi nagkukulang, hindi sumusobra. Kung minsan man ay nagkukulang tayo, awan ti bagasin, awan ti masidan, kumita ka lang dita, likod, ada iti saluyot, ada ti tarong, di ba? Live simply. Basta wala kang tinatapakan na. O, di ba? Kaysa naman mayaman ka, hindi ka nakakatulog kasi ano kaya ang gagawin ko sa mga pera ko? Or hindi ka natutulog ko, baka mamaya takawin lang. Kaya hindi na ako matutulog kasi baka takawin na di kwarta. Kaya, sabi nga biblically na masama ang sobra. Okay? Masama, kasalanan ang sobra. So, kaya we should be thankful that we are living in a simple life. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi kayo pwede magpa-yaman. Kasi, aminin man natin ang hindi, ang pera talaga ang siya kailangan natin sa araw-araw. Huwag lang sobra, huwag lang natin i-Diyos ang pera. Okay? So, that is the application of our discussion for this morning. Okay? So, I do hope that you apply or we relate into our real life situation. So, yung ating topic no Monday up to this morning, which is the simplifying, the expressions, we should be from the word simple. Okay? We should be simple in all our ways, especially our ways. Okay? So, do you have any question? Okay, so nothing. So, as your assignment, you just have an advanced reading about our new lesson about simplifying rational or radical expression. And sa radical expression kasi, mas malalim na yung ating gagawin. Okay? So, I hope that you understand our lesson for this morning. So, that's all. Thank you very much. Goodbye and thank you, Silver.